everyone, welcome to What a Hairstyle. Are you thinking about getting a short blonde haircut? These styles are super popular right now. In this video, we'll show you the coolest short blonde haircuts, how to style them, and tips to keep your hair shiny. Short blonde hair is fun, easy to care for, and looks great on everyone. We'll also help you pick the perfect cut for your face. So, stick around, grab a snack, and let's dive into these awesome hair ideas. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hair tips. Short blonde haircuts are everywhere because they're bold and stylish. Celebrities like Kristen Stewart rock these looks, and you can too. Short hair is easy to wash and style, saving you time in the morning. Blonde colors like bright platinum or soft ash make your face glow. These cuts work for all ages, from teens to grandmas. They're perfect for summer because they keep you cool. Plus, short hair makes you feel confident and ready to shine. In this video, we'll share 5 amazing short blonde styles you'll love. Let's start with the sleek blonde bob. This cut is straight, chin length, and super smooth. It's great for a clean, fancy look. You can part it on the side to make it extra stylish. The sleek bob is perfect if you have an oval or heart-shaped face. To style it, use a little mousse to keep it shiny or tease the top for more volume. This cut is easy to manage and looks good at school or work. Try it if you want a simple but chic hairstyle. Next up is the fluffy blonde Pixie. This cut is short, messy, and full of texture. It's like a fun, carefree style that's still cute. The fluffy Pixie is awesome for round faces because it makes your face look longer. If you have thick hair, this cut is perfect. To style it, grab some texturizing spray and scrunch your hair for a playful look. It's super low maintenance, so you don't need to spend hours on it. This bold cut will make you stand out in any crowd. Another great style is the curly blonde crop. This cut is short and full of bouncy curls. It's perfect if you have wavy or curly hair. The curls add volume and make your hair look fun and glamorous. This style works for most face shapes, like square or oval. To keep your curls looking nice, use a curl cream to stop frizz. The curly crop is great for anyone who loves a lively, happy vibe. Try this if you want a haircut that's full of energy. Lastly, let's talk about keeping your blonde hair healthy. Blonde hair needs extra care because bleaching can make it dry. Use a color-safe shampoo to keep it bright. A purple shampoo helps stop your hair from turning yellow. Deep condition your hair once a week to make it soft. Try not to use hot tools too much, but if you do, use a heat protectant.